high alert has been sounded in Punjab. Behind me is what you see is combing operations and joint mock drills taking place regularly. This is Pathankot, and this is obviously an after warning of a possible ISI-based infiltration attempts from Pakistan into Punjab, potentially targeting military installations in areas, especially in border areas like Pathankot. And remember, this is also a gateway as far as Punjab is concerned into Jammu and Kashmir. Way back in 2016, we saw Air Force Bases Station attack taking place, but clearly here, this is the Special Operations Group of Punjab Police backed by the Army. So we've seen in the border areas how BSF has also come into synergy. A joint mock drill now currently taking place, and this comes way timely because remember the New Year festivities have kicked in, and besides that there's been a high alert due to dense fogs. There's an input that terrorists could actually sneak in and could shift through routes from Pathankot, Gurdaspur sectors into adjoining Kathua, Jammu. Obviously, New Year vigilance is all-time high. There are disturbances which Pakistan would try and actually disturb the peace right here. We've seen even during Operation Sindoor how Punjab was continuously on the radar. The number of spies, also high number of activity taking place in Punjab itself. So a high alert has been sounded, a red alert has been sounded, and what you see is strategically, tactically, these Jawans now moving into areas. And remember, this is where going into the buildings. So the point is whether there is some sort of a situation which is regarding attacking a high-grade sensitive installation or a military installation. How do these Jawans really go in? So this is where they have been conducting these kind of mock drills. We'll just try and get you a sense from DSP Lakhvinder Singh. We'll try and get him to see whether he can talk about what is being done. Sir, Lakhvinder ji, खास तौर पे जो हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे लगातार मॉक ड्रिल्स, नए साल को देखते हुए किस तरह का हाई अलर्ट इशू कर दिया गया है?
जिस तरह साडे मानयोग SSP साहब पठानकोट पहला भी असीं डेली दी रूटीन एक्सरसाइज करते रहने आ विद आर्मी ते मॉक ड्रिल भी करते हैं। अज नवे साल नूं लैके स्पैशल जिहड़ी आ वरनेबल लोकेशन जिहड़ियां साडीਆਂ ने उन्हां ते स्पैशल प्रोटैक्शन भी जिहड़ी है जारी कीती है ते नाल दी नाल मॉक ड्रिल विद आर्मी दे नाल ज्वाइंट जिहड़ी है स्पैशल ड्राइव दे नाल मॉक ड्रिल कर रहे हैं।
So additional forces have been pumped in. We know at least 2 additional companies, and we also know that the SOGE has been deployed. So this is where, remember, taking tactical positions right here before they barge into the building. This is where the sensitivity is at all-time high. So clearly, operations now taking place. This is where sensitive locations are earmarked. There you go. Look at this. So this is a constant drill because remember, they're alert 24/7, especially around the New Year area. Look at this. So this is where this tactical area, urban complexes, about how they can deal with terrorists is something that they're jointly now doing exercises in and around areas of this kind. With camera person Aman, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Pathankot for India Today.